Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know last week's episode ended on a hot note where uNomfundo confronted uNjengaye and said, lalela naleli yakhe ngihlala kuyo yithathe baba cause ngikhathele finished nguwe. So this episode starts off with that scene. So uNjengaye, he holds uNomfundo ebusweni guys on the side of her face with one of his hand and is like, Mfumfu, after iminyaka engaka, mina nawe we have been together. Sindawonye, senza umntwana, saviki ivunguvungu Nomfundo. Manje, so umbheka kanje Nomfundo, so umbheka ngathi mina like I'm mistreating you. Oh, Nomfundo is quiet there. Nomfundo goes on to then say, uthi, ufuna ngenze njani Njengaye? uNjengaye is like, how? What usungaze uthi ukuthi ngikubukisa kwesilwane. Isilwane pho Nomfundo. Nomfundo's like, yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi vele anginawo ama-chain engibophele kuwo kodwa indlela nje ungiphatha ngayo like ungiphathisa kwesilwane. Awunginiki inkululeko, you give me no freedom. She goes on to say ukuthi uma ngabe konke lokhu enginakho Njengaye makes you feel ukuthi ku-right ukuthi ungiphathe kanje. Hayi ngiyabonga bandla bengicela ukuthi uvele ukuthathe konke. uNjengaye is like, Mfumfu ngiyaxolisa. Nomfundo, if you think ukuthi I'm meddling in your affairs, ngizohlehla. I won't meddle in your affairs. uNomfundo's like, uyangikhulula. It's like akakholelwa guys ukuthi uNjengaye say that, and I also didn't believe it. She's like, uyangikhulula. uNjengaye says, Nomfundo bheka, if wena ufuna ukuba nomxolisi kulungile qhubeka. uNomfundo guys, because at that point they're standing, uNomfundo sits down, she is in disbelief, and uNjengaye just walks out, you guys. uNomfundo, the way she's in disbelief, guys, ingathi she wanted uNjengaye to fight for her. I mean, if I was in her shoes, maybe I could have felt ukuthi hayi ngempela, like iminyaka emingaka kodwa ungangilweli. Kodwa then again, guys, ufuna indoda yomuntu, indoda eshadile ikulwele kanjani? But I feel like uNomfundo was low. I feel like uNomfundo was low key, or she was low key hoping that uNjengaye is going to fight more for her. Cause it's like she didn't even have no words to say after the fact that uNjengaye said ukuthi qhubeka with whatever you want to pursue. No, at least. Next thing we see uVusi noTrina guys, they're in a hotel room. That hotel room where uVusi stays in, they're waking up in the same bed. They abantu basemathamdweni. uTrina wakes up, she wakes up, ulokhuzana uVusi with a kiss, she kisses him there. uTrina's like, sawubona sithandwa sami. uVusi's like, ngizwe ngathi ngiyaphupha yazi, actually ngiyaphupha ngicela ukuthi ungangivusi nje. uTrina's like, hayibo wenze njani manje, like laughing and stuff like that. And uVusi goes on to say, ngiyabonga ukuthi ungivuse. Like this feels much better, like knowing that it's not actually a dream. He goes on to say ukuthi yazi bengikhumbula ukuvuka nje eduzane kwakho kanje. uTrina's like, nam futhi. Then uVusi goes on to say, yazi sithandwa sami, kulesi sikhathi singekho ndawonye singikhumbuzile ukuthi love is meaningless without izenzo. Love is meaningless without action. So manje ke I promise you ukuthi ngizokukhumbuza ukuthi ngiyakuthanda for as long as I love. uTrina's like, oh okay, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ungaqala kuphi to show me that you really love me. Then uVusi says, okay, I'm listening. uTrina whispers something in his ears. Then we see both of them laughing there, and then uVusi starts kissing her. They're going back to whatever they were doing there, guys. I'm just like, it's good that they finally forgave one another, guys, and I feel like to a certain extent they needed this, because it looks like uVusi benoTrina are gonna come back stronger, especially for Loa Peteni that doesn't want uTrina this time. Angeke amgudluze shame. So next scene kwambambo, guys, it's a full house. uVuma's back from esibhedlela, like kuyahlekwa nje ungathi the atmosphere kumnandi nje, something like that. uVuma's like, cha wona khawona ukudla kwasesibhedlela ukubi kodwa if mizongidlisa ukudla kwanogwaja cha like hayi ngiphindiseleni esibhedlela bandla ngoba bandla ngeke ngikhone madoda ngeke usho ukuthi maybe they were having a conversation about the doctor's orders usho ukuthi the doctor said ukuthi uvuma meladle kahle and now it looks like he's disputing that with the whole family. Usibongile then says how baba awukuhlekisi lokho like you can't make a joke out of ukuthi kungcono ukuthi sikuphindisele esibhedlela. Then uvuma goes on to respond and says ukuthi I wasn't trying to be funny ngalokho. Mina izongikhumbuza ukuthi konke ukudla engikuthandayo the food that I love to eat ukuthi I can't eat that I won't be able to eat that food anymore niyangisanganisa man. I'm just like calm down Vuma like how ngempela like why are you shooting them when these are the doctor's orders? Usibongile is like baba nje thina sijabulela ukuthi ubuyile lana ekhaya. Uvuma-ke he looks at his sister he's like Mageza angazi ukuthi like what my kids and I would have done if you were not here. Ngiyabonga Mageza ngiyabonga ukuthi uzifundisile lezi ngane you taught them how to clean phela kuyacwebezela la endlini. Mandulo goes on to say ukuthi hayi mbambo angenzanga lutho mina bengibamba nje lapho nalapho kodwa nje like I can't take full credit for that. Uvuma says shuthi yonke lento engiyibonayo lana yilezi ngane zami lezi like they did it on their own. Usibongile is like yithi labo baba yithi labo yes it was your kids who did all of this. Uvuma goes on to say hayi bo uthi like abakashanga muntu lana yilaba bami abakine wacabezela kanje. Usangweni is like cha baba mesikhuluma iqiniso kahle kahle umuntu osizile la ekhaya ukuthi kube clean nje ukwenzo. Oh once usangweni says that uvuma guys ashintshe ebusweni you can see ukuthi ubhorekile bod. Sangweni goes on to say ukuthi ngaphandle kokwenzo ngabe like akukho kanje like la endlini. Uvelephi is like ayiqinisile baba ngempela usangweni ukwenzo nje he was hands on ngempela with everything uye wasithengela ngisho nje ukudla. Uvuma zakhe yazi lo mfana usanda kufika la eqopha isikhashana and suddenly senikhohliwe ukuthi nani nje itekisi ukuthi anisaligibeli nina. I'm just like Vuma really? Usibongile is like cha baba bengicabanga ukuthi uzokujabulela that we had caring people who were taking care of us while you were not around. Uvuma goes on to say hamba mnyaka sesadlula lesasikhathi lama kuthiwa umuzi wendoda ube wayo nje yena alone like he's trying to say ukuthi ukwenza what is he doing in my house I don't want him in my house. I'm just like ubaba Uvuma needs to get over himself because ukwenza has really helped this family you guys. Next scene we see uNomfundo and uMavis ngathi baxoxa impahla or something like that and I'm wondering to myself ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani why uNomfundo exoxa impahla in boxes and whatnot is she moving out or what exactly is happening? So uMavis is like hayibo Fundo like this thing she's holding up a dress or a top she's like hayibo this thing still looks new. Unesiqiniseko ukuthi you want to give this thing away. Then Nomfundo is like ungayinikeza noma ubani esontweni like I'm sure ukuthi ukhona umuntu ozoyithanda leyo nto. uMavis is like ngeke ke khohlwa ke if ke you sure ukuthi you want to give it away ngizozithathela yona akho mfazi wasesontweni engizomnikeza mina. So as they talking like that then there's a knock on the door. uNomfundo says athi ngibone ukuthi ubani. And as she opens the door, she sees ukuthi uMolisi and she's like, oh, and she smiles. uMolisi is like, sawubona amazibuko. He goes on to say ukuthi ngikuphathele something to eat bengafuni ukuthi ubulawe yindlala. Then Nomfundo is like, ngiyabonga ngena. He comes in and then Nomfundo says, Mavis, Ngumnganam lo Olisi. She looks at Olisi. She's like, Olisi, umnganam lo uMavis. Then uMavis says, ngiyajabula ukwazi mngani wami mnganami. And then she shakes his hand. They shake hands. They laugh. Olisi is like, sawubona Mavis. Mavis responds and she says, sawubona. Then she looks at uNomfundo. She's like, Fundo, abang ukuthi siqedile wanamhlanje. Then uNomfundo's like, okay, kulungile sisi, ngizokupakishela lezi zinto bese I will have them delivered to you. Then uNomfundo says, okay, ngiyabonga. Olisi then says, kanti besingekho isidingo sokuthi uhambe, speaking to uMavis. He goes on to say ukuthi kuningi ukudla okulana. Then uMavis says, ngiyabonga, kumele ukuthi ngibuyele emsebenzini. Then uMavis looks at uNomfundo. She's like, thank you, Nomfundo. And then she walks out. uNomfundo's like, kulungile mnganami, all right. Then Mavis walks out of the door. Olisi opens whatever he's carrying for her, the food. He's like, ngiphathele ispaghetti a la ching chong. Takes out chopsticks. The one thing about Olisi, shame. Shame. He gives her the chopsticks. uNomfundo's like, okay. She's busy smiling. They bahlale phansi. She opens up the food. She's like, this smells amazing. So as they're about to eat, she says, so yazi Olisi, ngikhulumile noNjengaye. Wathi-ke akanankinga, uyasikhulula ukuthi senze noma yini esikufunayo. But you can see ukuthi uMolisi, he's just ubhorekile, guys, and he just keeps quiet. uNomfundo's like, yini? Wangathi like awujabulile nje. Then ulokhuzana uOlisi says, shuthi ngempela, you just don't get it, hey? Lento le, like, ayihlangene naye, ayihlangene noNjengaye. Ukuthi wena wenzani ngempilo yakho, ukuthi mina nawe senzani, those are none of his concerns. Ayifuni yena yonke lento. uNomfundo's like, manje usho ukuthini? Shuthi awusangifuni. Then uOlisi is like, ngiyakufuna ngenhliziyo yami yonke, kodwa it should come from you Nomfundo, okay? He goes on to say ukuthi uNjengaye shouldn't be the one telling us what to do. Angifuni ukutshela mina ngomunye umfana ukuthi ngenzeni ngempilo yami. That will never happen. And then he gets up. As he gets up, uNomfundo's like, manje sewuyahamba. And then uOlisi says ukuthi kumele ukuthi ufunde Nomfundo, ukuthi uzithathele iy'nqumo zakho. Impilo yakho lena, okay? He goes on to say ukuthi uzongifonela when you know ukuthi ufunani. He says enjoy and then he walks out. Guys, one thing about uOlisi, and I think like I didn't get it, but when I was thinking about it, I got it. Because it seems like uNomfundo, she was having a conversation with uNjengaye to get approval to be in a relationship with uOlisi. And uOlisi is saying, if you truly saying you're not with this man, why are you looking for approval for what we should be doing in our relationship? That just shows uNjengaye does still have a hold on uNomfundo's life. But I mean, guys, for how many years? So I don't blame uNomfundo that it's not going to be an easy thing for her to completely break free from uNjengaye. I get next scene we see uNjengaye and uVusi and uKwenzo. They are walking into the restaurant. It looks like they just came from having like a golf game or something like that, because the attire that they're wearing is like attire ye golf. So as they're walking into the restaurant, uVusi is busy talking there. He's like, yabona into engayisho manje. uNjengaye is like, yeah, okay, sikulalele. uVusi like, uqina indlela engimthanda ngayo, angazi ukuthi ngingayichaza kanjalo. Ngihappy nje ukuthi ubuyile empilweni yami. uNjengaye is like, uyindoda ke mfanami, yabona like muyindoda wenza njalo ke impela, uyakwazi nje uqoqa umndeni wakho. uVusi is like, yabona manje sengiya-understand ukuthi basho ukuthini mebethi i-distance encane phakathi nawe nomuntu wakho, like uvela ukuthi umthande, like something like that, angazi kodwa like, but I just don't want to ever experience that distance again. Shame uVusi really looks like he is over the moon, you guys. Then uKwenzo enters the conversation. uKwenzo's like, yabona lento ikhulumayo, lento khuluma ngayo Vusi, mina ngiyamazi umuntu who is an expert in that field, nguMr. njengaye Dlamini. Uyabona ubaba, he will tell you how many times he slept alone in that mansion. Unjengaye ekuhleweke. Hey, it looks like kumnandi guys. Unjengaye goes on to say ukuthi yey wena ungangiqali, and then everyone loves. Unjengaye says ukuthi mina nje, I'm just glad I was able to spend some time with my sons, which is something that we need to do much more often. Uwenzo goes on to say, well, you should spend more time away because when you return from your vacations, you're very affectionate towards us. He looks at Uvusi, uyambona ngendlela asithanda ngayo vele. Vele guys, ever since Unjengaye came from this vacation, he really looks refreshed, penopeten. But we know ukuthi like it's not all rosy in that mansion. So uVusi goes on to ask ukuthi vele vele wenzakalani, like what's happening kuleya mention yenu baba. And then uLokhuzana Njengaye says, uVusi is like, baba, all right? Then uNjengaye is like, yeah, hey, ngiright. Hey ndodana ukuthi nje ngikhathaza yile client ingishiyile after many years. I'm just like, are we still talking about a client here? Uvusi is like, which client is that, Baba? Obviously, Uvusi has worked closely with his father, so he probably would know, and that's why he's probably asking which client. Then Unjengaye says, elinye nje client, elibalulekile nje, yabona lela client, bengizitshela ukuthi like we had a long-term contract in place. Into engihluphayo nje ukuthi the client is now collaborating with the competitor. Yabona leyo nto, it just doesn't sit well with me at all. I'm just like, akukhulunywa ngonomfundo lana. Akukhulunywa ngonomfundo. I'm just like, kusho ukuthi Njengaye shame maybe uyamthanda ngempela unomfundo because he was willing to let her go even though he still wants to keep her. Uwenzo goes on to say, kwanzima lokho-ke baba, kodwa-ke asithembe baba ukuthi lizobuya lelo client. Unjengaye is like, angiboni njalo ndodana. And then uVusi decides to break the ice. It's like, anyway baba, we will still make new clients, new relationships. Let's just toast to us, the Dlamini men, succeeding and what. And then they cheers there. It really looks like they are in a good place as brothers, or as the Dlamini men, or that the relationship they have amongst the three of them. Next scene we see uSamke, she is kwambalenhle and she is sweeping the floor. As she's sweeping the floor, kungena uNtombela guys. uNtombela says, hey sisi, bekumshanyela sengimtholile sengisitholile lesa sangoma. uSamke is like, siphi uphi. uSamke runs to the back. She's going to put back umshanyelo. As she's going to the back, guys, isangoma singeneke. Besingena laphayana, he's busy doing his things, burping. You know what sangomas do? They burp, they say those things zabo ke. uNtombela-ke, he says thokoza, amakhehla angahlala phansi, like signaling to him ukuthi angahlala phansi. He's doing his things, guys. He's burping, uvutela something, I don't even know. He's busy saying khuluma bafana, bendlela, something like that. I couldn't even hear nicely what he was saying. As he's speaking like that, angithi phansi uSamke comes in, but uSamke is walking in from behind him. uSamke says sawubona. And then uSangoma goes on, like he turns back to see who's greeting him, and I thought he was not going to recognize uSamke, but he recognizes her, and he goes on to say, nayi imihlolo yambo. Angiyikholelwa ke le. He gets up on his feet. He's like, shuthi mina nje yonke le ndawo engiyihambayo emhlabeni, Ntombela ungibize kwindawo right. I finally reunited with an old friend of mine. Hey madoda, kunjani unkosazana? Acting as if he is happy to see uSamke. uSamke is like, mehlo madala. And then isangoma is like, mehlo madala. Sibonga idlozi. uSamke is like, ngiyajabula and ngiyabonga ukuthi waze wafika. You can see ukuthi like her words are saying one thing, but her demeanor and the tone is saying another thing. Then uPi goes on to say, the sangoma Pi goes on to say ukuthi ngijabula kabi, bayajabula nabo. uSamke is like nginombuzo. She takes out a picture, and this picture is Umbali, Usbongile's mother's picture. She points the picture to him, and she asks him what happened. They cut that scene. Next thing, we are at the Dlamini mansion, you guys. Upeteni, she's busy looking through fabrics. Mavis comes into the lounge. So Mavis, Megangana, she says, Madam. Upeteni is like, oh, Mavis, wenze kahle wafika yazi. Yazi ngifuna ukuthi ngishintshe ama-curtain laphayana kwi-guest room, kwi-guest bedroom. Manje like angazi ukuthi ngikhethe yiphi indwangu. UMavis then says, oh, yayinhle kodwa le oyithintayo. So as she's now at this point, Mavis is kind of standing like in front of Upeteni. So Upeteni looks up and she notices that Mavis is wearing a certain scarf. And she's like, oh, sasihle lesi scarf sakho. Then Mavis says ukuthi Sipho from umngani wami. Unjengayo walks in at this point. So Mavis is still talking. She's like, hey Pella, this gift, this scarf is so special because umnganam yazi bengisikhohliwe lesi scarf umnganam, the way it's so special le gift. She actually called me back ukuthi ngizosilanda when I forgot it at her house. Upeteni is like, cha umngani wakho ingathi uyazazi izinto. But the way unjengaye, when he comes in, guys, he is staring at Mavis and he's staring at the scarf. And the way Upeteni also recognized the scarf, I'm like, there's something here. Remember Mavis was at Unomfundo's house. So I have a feeling whatever clothes Unomfundo was packing was all the stuff Unjengayo bought for her or gifted her. Because Unjengayo would not suddenly be drawn to that scarf unless he's the one who specifically why cats? He's the one who picked it out for her, or he knows which is Nomfundo's scarf. And Upeteni is either recognizing it because she's like, Aibo Mina, I've got style, I know things, this is Kafsiabiza, or something like that. But Upeteni is going to connect the dots, you guys. So anyway, Upeteni is like, hey, kaunganakho, ingathi uyazazi izinto. Mavis is like, ngiyabonga. Unjengayo is just staring at the scarf that Mavis is wearing ekhanda. Upeteni is like, she looks at Unjengayo and she's like, ibinjani golf? How was the golf session? Then Unjengayo is like, oh, it be right. Abafana bathe ukuthi ngikubingelele. Upeteni is like, oh, okay. And then she continues her conversation with Mavis. She's like, yinhle kodwa leyo niyayibona. Unjengayo, he continues staring there. And then he ends up saying, Mutiazi, I'm just going to take a nap. And then Upeteni is like, how a nap? Uyolala ngo 4 p.m. emini. And then Unjengayo is like, ngikhathele, like ngiphethwe yikhanda ini. And then Upeteni is like, it's fine. I will come check up on you later. Guys, stress Jolo is dealing with Unjengayo. Anyway, last scene, back to leya scene sesangoma le kwambalenhle. Leya sasangoma, at this point, he's standing up, he's like, uyabona dadewethu, nawe mdala, angiyona imfayidukwe mina. If you think otherwise, you mistaken. Futhi mina nginitsheleni ke ngine-underground gang. Bazonibonisa. As he's busy saying bazonibonisa, uSamke is like, shut up. When as uSamke says, shut up, guys, kungena abantu baseqoqo. If they coming in, guys, they carrying sticks there. They want to hit the sangoma. They're like, uzokhuluma wena. uSamke is like, imani. Everyone keeps quiet. She's like, yabona wena, ngifuna ukuthi utshele wonke umuntu olana ukuthi wamenzani umbali. She goes on to say ukuthi unomutho amnikeza wona. What was lo amutho amnikeza wona? Then lesa sangoma is like, hawu kodwa u-20 years ingathi no breakfast nje angikhumbula ukuthi ngidleni. Manje uzongibuza ngombani lowo engamazi owanyamalala 20 years ago. Mina ngizokhumbula kanjani? Like, hayibo imfeketho nje leyo. uSamke at this point she's married. She's like, yabona wena ngifuna ukuthi uyobhadlela ejele. Then she tells Sipho, cela ukuthi uyongibizela abantu bakwaMbambo enzela lo ezochaza in front of them ukuthi wambulala kanjani uMbali. Gijima Sipho goes out running to go and fetch the Mbambo family so that Sangoma can confess and say ukuthi ngempela he did something. And then the episode ends there. Oh guys, kusho ukuthi uSamke is really fighting. It's either she's really fighting to clear her name or it's either she's really fighting to fix things Novuma. But either or, guys, let's end it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please do watch the ads as well. I truly appreciate that. And I'll see you guys on the next one.